To inspect or replace the drive belt on a Polaris Khaos, follow these steps. Caution: do not attempt to remove the drive belt after operating in reverse. The snowmobile must be stopped after forward motion to prevent damage to components during belt removal. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Remove the left side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the side panel out and lift up to remove. If needed, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise 1 quarter turn by hand to disengage reverse. Set the parking brake. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Remove the clutch spreader tool from the side panel trim and spread the trim as needed to access the clutch. Insert the clutch spreader tool into the threaded hole of the driven clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. Notice, if the tool does not turn readily, rotate the driven clutch an additional 1 quarter turn counterclockwise and try again. Carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage and replace if needed. Clean the area around the clutches thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If replacing the belt, clean with a mixture of warm soapy water and ensure the part number on the belt is facing outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Spin the belt while removing the clutch spreader tool to help seat the belt. Completely remove the clutch spreader tool. Reconnect the side panel trim and reinstall the clutch spreader tool. Reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and turn the 2 quarter turn latches. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.